name's Tony and welcome to Realz product review. Today we are going to be looking at Jonny cat liners. And so the reason I am going through this is my mom's neighbor has a litter box that she's been using for a while for her cats, but she doesn't use cat liners, and she called me frantic. She was having issues with the box. She couldn't get it clean. And so it took a lot of work to scrub out that litter box and have it hygienically clean and not have goop and junk and poop stuck all over it. But she had never heard of cat liners, and so I thought this would be a great video to talk about these liners. And so I've tried a couple others, but I really like these the best. They're strong, so they are 50 micrometers. So 2 milliliters, can't even say that. And so they're pretty thick versus some of the others are kind of thin and they kind of tear apart, and they're really easy to use. So let me pull it open so you can kind of see. So it's like basically a trash bag for your litter box, and so it is designed so that it is square and long. So that it will fit inside of a litter box. So I have a relatively large litter box that is hooded, and then I also have this other medium litter box that I use most of the time. So I have 2 of these that I use majority of the time, but then when my mom's cat used to come, I used to use the hooded one for him so he'd have his own litter box. And so it used to fit on all of them. So if not used to, it still fits on all of them. Pretty easy. Just pop it in your box. Like you would a trash can, and then you can secure it then with your lip. You can have a lip, and then you just put the litter inside. So really easy. And then at the end of the month, when you're trying to clean your litter box, you take the lid off, you lift up the lips. Got some drawstrings. It'll be a little easier for the stand inside to show you. And then you just basically pull on the drawstrings while it's inside your litter box. You can tie it up and throw it into a trash can. My cats do have nails, so every once in a while they may like hook the bag and make a little hole, but it's not so huge that it's hard to deal with. So it works really well for me. Love it. It makes cleaning the actual litter box a whole lot easier. Then I just have to spray it down with some bathroom cleaner, bleach it out, kill those germs, stick a new one in, some new litter, and I'm good to go. So I'll show you my other litter boxes that actually are complete that I'm using right now that has litter inside, so you can kind of see what it looks like with the litter in there. So this is a litter box with the product inside. As you can see, it fits pretty snugly in there. And let me give you a top view as well. So that's a baking soda that I have inside. I like to sprinkle a little bit of that in there. It helps with odors. So I take the baking soda out of the fridge at the end of the month, put a new one in my fridge, and then I use that one in the litter boxes, so I get to recycle it. Thank you so much for watching my channel and my review on Jonny cat liners. And if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button below.